I'm going to show you how to remove a popcorn ceiling in 3 easy steps. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now are you wondering, Leah, things look a little different. You're not in the shop. What the heck is going on? Well, I'm going to tell you. Coming up next month, we're going to do the master class series for a kitchen remodel. And that's where we are today. We're on a remodeling job. Just so happens that this ceiling is popcorn and we're going to remove it. Because we're in a remodeling job and we're putting in a new floor, the floors aren't protected. So if you're going to do this at home, just make certain that you put down a drop cloth first, because it's going to be messy. So step number 1 is you have to determine whether or not the ceiling has the presence of asbestos in it. And you do that by taking a sample. Now, a few weeks ago, we showed you how to take a sample and send it to a lab. If you missed that video, I'll make certain that I place a link in the description below so you can check it out. Now, step 2 is you want to mist the ceiling with lukewarm water and a garden sprayer. Don't saturate it, just mist it, because if you saturate it, you could damage the drywall beneath. Step 3 is you want to remove the popcorn ceiling with a taping knife. You want to mist no more than 4 square feet at a time, because if you do a larger area, you take the risk of it drying out, and then it becomes really difficult to remove. Here we have the ceiling before the popcorn texture was removed. What you just saw go by was the skylight in the ceiling. Now here we have the ceiling after the popcorn texture was removed. All we have to do now is just prime it and paint it. So that's it. It's a pretty simple process. 3 steps, right? Check to make certain that there's no asbestos. 2, mist the ceiling down with lukewarm water. And then 3, after you wait for just a few minutes, then you can scrape it down. So I want to say one last thing, and that is if your popcorn ceiling has been painted over, well, it's going to take a little more effort to remove the popcorn texture. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.